In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a link in Google on your mobile phone. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own device. You can use either an Android phone or an iPhone. And this will work in the Google Chrome app, which is the most common way people browse Google on mobile. First, unlock your phone and open the Chrome app. This is usually the colorful circle icon with red, yellow, green, and blue. If you don't see it on your home screen, swipe up to open your app drawer, or use your phone's search feature to look for Chrome. Once Chrome is open, you'll either see the Google search page or a website you visited recently. If you want to copy the link of a search result, start by typing what you're looking for into the search bar at the top of the screen and tap the search button on your keyboard. After the results load, find the website you want to copy the link from and tap it to open the page. Wait a moment for the page to fully load. Now, the address bar at the top of your screen shows the full link for this page. On most phones, all you need to do is tap once on that address bar. When you tap it, the link should become highlighted. If it doesn't highlight everything the first time, tap and hold on the link until you see selection handles or a small menu. Then choose Select All if that option appears. This makes sure you're copying the entire web address, not just part of it. With the link highlighted, look for the copy option. This might appear in a small menu right above the text, or in a bar at the top or bottom of the screen, depending on your phone. Tap Copy. At this point, the link is saved to your clipboard. Now you can paste this link anywhere you like. Open the app where you want to share it, such as a messaging app, email, or notes. Tap in the text field where you normally type, then tap and hold until you see the Paste option. Tap Paste and your copied link will appear there. If it doesn't work the first time, don't worry. Just go back to Chrome, tap the address bar again, make sure the full link is selected, and tap Copy one more time. With a little practice, copying and sharing links from Google on your mobile phone will become second nature.